Kia ora team, school holidays, so we thought we'd try some study snacks. We have an assortment of study snacks that you guys suggested and we're going to try some of them out. Can I help you, Kia?
Sorry, is it filming?
Go away!
What shall we start with? This is, by the way, a very interesting assortment of suggestions.
Yeah, I'm actually slightly concerned.
I'm very concerned.
Kia ora guys, we're here at Sleep Time, we'll be trying study snacks. The first one is raw fish. This was suggested by Leilani, and I love sushi, so.
Do we all get to try it? Or is it
No, I thought this, man. No guys, salmon actually contains omega-3s, which is a really important fatty acid for your hormone health, and also your brain health. It makes it a great study snack.
And of course they start their construction just as they start filming.
We forgot the crab. This is a raw crab. Let's see how this goes. That's like a raw crab. That's underrated actually. That's actually real nice.
What should we start with?
I don't know.
We have the cucumber sticks.
Yeah, so someone suggested cucumber sticks with lemon and chili powder.
So this is quite healthy. This is fairly low calorie,
Yeah.
I would presume. Interesting choice to cut lengthways on the lemon.
Oh yeah, true.
Do I just like
You can just like sprinkle it over it, I
like
guess. I mean, I'm scared.
It just seems like a weird flavor combination.
Yeah, and lemon's really acidic. And like,
It is, indeed.
Such a throat like. Such a thing. Alright, let's go.
Oh, this is lit. I'd totally eat this
There's a
again.
bit of a kick to it.
I don't like
okay.
spicy
Usually I just
food.
like salt and pepper is all the spice I need.
I don't like spicy food, so like this isn't something that I
Actually,
would.
low key, this would be mean, but replace the sweet chili with sweet paprika, like smoked paprika.
Yeah. I reckon this is sick. I'd totally eat this again. Yeah, the chilies, you could definitely do like cucumber lemon and like experiment with other spices. But I'd have it with the chili.
It's too spicy for me.
Weak.
Yeah,
So someone
should we try
suggested
those?
like frozen peas, like as in eating them
Yeah, but the thing is,
while
like,
still frozen.
it was seemingly a popular study snack. Like 7 or 8 people suggested that we eat frozen peas. I don't know.
Oh, it's actually fine. Just tastes like. To be honest, I'd rather eat like
I'd rather eat them like cooked.
plain ice. This kind of reminds me of like, I don't know.
It's actually not bad.
That's real good.
It's actually got a bit of sweetness to it. Okay, I'd eat this again as well. I'm
So-
impressed by these suggestions.
Where's the camera?
Yeah.
If I get 2, these are the actual size of my last 2 brain cells.
We're full of fun facts today.
These are extra flaming hot Cheetos. Careful, Louis.
I don't think I've ever had Cheetos.
I've never had a Cheeto before.
They're amazing.
I've also never had KFC, fun fact.
Oh, those are good, man. Those are good.
This is good. This is real good.
Yeah.
It's not too bad.
I see why America has an obesity problem.
If you just eat as many as possible and cook as time as possible, it'll like get real spicy.
I like how my fingers are red now as well.
If you eat like a handful,
It is quite hard, eh?
Yeah. If you're like me and you don't like spicy foods, like 0 out of 10 would not recommend.
I'd highly recommend the extra hot Cheetos.
they're extra hot.
They're also very red.
They're flaming hot.
But don't get them like if we go into the movies with like a date or anything.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Do we want to try the blue cheese?
I'll try the blue cheese.
do it.
I'll have a small piece of the blue
Yeah,
cheese.
me too.
So I'm not a huge blue cheese. I'm a huge soft cheese person, to be honest. I'm more
Yeah,
into like
same.
I like a good hard cheese, but
Okay. Is this too hard for us to squish together? Right. Okay, ready? It doesn't taste as
it
strong
actually
as it
doesn't
smells.
taste that bad. Yeah. It kind of just tastes like a generic soft cheese.
It's really creamy.
It's very creamy, yeah. It's like a mascarpone or a cream cheese, but with a way worse flavour profile.
If you take a big ass bite, it's nasty. Oh, give me some iced animal.
Yeah, iced edibles.
Yeah.
I have not had iced edibles.
Since like primary school.
Yeah, I'm really...
If you had these in your lunchbox,
I'm psyched
like,
for these.
Also follow us on TikTok if you haven't already. We're making TikTok.
This is what I'm here for. Oh, thank you very much. Oh, it smells like childhood. The icing has like a...
I got the bunny rabbit. What about you? Oh, you got a bunny rabbit too. Yeah. What'd you get?
Was that Lilani's lunch?
Did?
Yeah.
No, that's Lilani's lunch.
I'll make more. That's me.
The only thing with these is like a study snack though. It's like the kind of thing that you like just keep going back to, and then before you know it, like you've
I'm glad you
not
said that.
studied and you've spent.
I'm glad you said that, Lee. Now, there was a very recent study this year where they put two groups of people. Oh, that's hot. The blue cheese makes the chili worse. Two groups of people into controlled rooms in a metabolic lab and gave them the option of either eat as many processed foods as they want or as many single ingredient foods or whole foods as you want. And basically, the people who ate the processed food group were on average gained about 20% higher calories. They went well over their calorie maintenance for the day. And they put on weight. And so this then supports something called the protein leverage theory, which basically says that protein is the most satiated macronutrient. It's also the most thermogenic, which means more calories on a burnt as heat energy during digestion, which means that also slows down digestion, which means that if you really want to get sustained energy for longer and you want to feel fuller for longer and you also don't want to, get the fresher 5 when you're in year 13, because that's not ideal. Have a high protein meal before you start snacking. So you have like something like chicken or like fish or eggs, or if you're like vegan, like the fake chicken stuff, you can basically a high protein, low carb, low fat meal. So you'll be fuller for longer and you won't snack on iced animals. And that is how you stay healthy in school, guys.
We've almost gone through.
I'm a little curious about this.
I'm not
paleo
at all.
but
If you want,
Well, I'll eat it, but
what is it though?
orange rosemary chicken, supposedly paleo.
So dramatic.
smells nasty.
I'm not gonna get food poisoning. Oh, it's cold. I didn't expect that part.
How is it, guys?
Tastes like someone just got a random meal out of the fridge and gave it to me.
Yeah. It tastes like someone cooked a chicken breast and just like reached into the spice cabinet and just grabbed the first thing that came to hand and like chucked it down. The chicken crimpy shapes, people maintain this is the best flavour. I agree, I think this is the best shapes flavour. You know what's better? Oh, not better. There's like a new cracker on the market called like Crunchies by like Snacks. They're very good. I rate them.
What are your thoughts on the budget Pringles?
Sorry?
You know the budget Pringles? You know the ones?
Oh, like at like Countdown.
Yeah.
Nah, them.
Yeah.
They're
Everyone's
not
like,
good.
no,
They're
they're better than the original, but they're not.
The budget Pringles are not good. Are those regular Oreos?
I think so, but I swear Lilani said something about like odd flavoured Oreos, but this just looks like a regular Oreo.
Yeah, these are good.
Nice.
Chicken crimpy is an excellent cracker.
How many Oreos do I can fit in my mouth at once?
Should we play Chubby Bunny with Oreos?
I mean, yeah.
One.
You can't choose
You can't do it, that's cheating.
Oh,
You can't choose it. It's like
That's 3. 4. You're stuck now.
and this was the day that Jordan died.
You know, I'm kind of a fan of this cucumber, I'm not gonna lie. I love cucumber.
Oreo's a classic. That's good. Uses palm oil though, supposedly.
That's pretty
Cool.
much everything.
Any concluding thoughts? What was your favourite item, Lily?
I have to say iced animals just like as a general snack, but as a study snack, I have to say I'm not disappointed by the frozen peas.
Yeah. Okay. My like nose is running from the Cheetos. I don't know. I find if I eat sugar, my energy levels tend to plummet hard like half an hour later. So I feel like the sugary snacks, as good as they are, probably aren't that good for study purposes. I really like the cucumber with the lemon.
But
I was really
think,
surprised.
Like taking out the chili powder and like replacing it with something else.
You want to stick to, single ingredient foods, really one's highest in, vitamins and minerals and, good fats. Things that's good for your brain, I recommend blueberries, avocado, fish, eggs, which contain choline, which are great for your brain. Stuff like that. Fruits and vegetables, other ways, but,
Favorite fruit?
banana, 100%.
What?
But
That's
as far
boring.
as this goes, these things are good until you eat a bag, and they're not good anymore. Ice animals are also good, and frozen peas are the winner for me, man. Those were
Yeah,
great.
they went off, eh?
Yeah. I'd totally have the cucumber or the frozen peas again.
Oh, well, I keep eating them. Oh my god.
Your hands?
Simba.